University Mercedes Campus.
And now we are gonna show you on how to disassemble
A symbol, meaning, functions.
To the computer system unit.
Let's do this!
Step 1. Make sure the system unit is turned off. Step 2. Unplug or remove all cables connected to the system unit.
Step 3. Wear anti-static wrist strap or discharge yourself by holding any metal objects for 5 minutes. Step 4. Connect anti-static wrist strap to the chassis.
Step 5. Untighten or remove the screws of the side cover of system case. Step 6. Disconnect and remove all the cables connected to all components inside the system unit.
Step 7. Remove the ODD or CD-ROM. Step 8. Remove the HDD and lighten the screws mounted to the case. Then carefully remove the HDD. Step 9. Remove the PSU or power supply unit. Step 10. Remove the motherboard and tighten the screw mounted to the case. Then carefully remove the motherboard.
Step 11. Unmount and unplug all parts along the motherboard, including the CPU, CPU heatsink fan, RAM, and video card. After disassembling, these are the steps of assembling system unit. Step 1. Mount all the parts along the motherboard, including the CPU, CPU heatsink fan, RAM, and video card.
Step 2. Install the motherboard. Tighten the screws mounted to the case. Step 3. Install the PSU.
Step 4. Install the ODD or CD-ROM.
Step 5. Carefully install the HDD, tighten the screws mounting to the case.
Step 6. Connect all the cables to all components inside the system unit. Step 7. Put the sides cover back and tighten the screw.
Step 8. Connect all the cables to the system unit.
Step 9. Test the system unit if it's working well.
CPU, Central Processing Unit. The CPU, or the Central Processing Unit, is the brain of the computer and one of the most important chips in the computer.
Heatsink and CPU Fun stand for heatsink and fun. Nearly all computers have heatsink, which help to keep the CPU cool and prevent it from overheating. RAM, or Random Access Memory. Random access memory is a piece of hardware that allows stored data to be accessed randomly. Its main function is to store the data temporarily.
Video card, graphic accelerator card. Video card is commonly known as a graphic accelerator card. This is a hardware component whose main function is to generate and display the output images to the computer monitor.
Motherboard. A motherboard connects and transmits signals to and from peripherals, like your keyboard, mouse, and monitor. The same can be said for your components, such as your CPU, GPU, RAM, and others.
PSU, Power Supply Unit. A power supply unit, or PSU, converts main AC to lower voltage, regulated DC power for the internal components of the computer.
HDD, Hard Disk Drive, is also known as hard drive. This is the computer's main storage device used to store all data on the computer permanently.
ODD, or CD-ROM. CD-ROM is a device that uses photodiodes to detect reflecting lights on an optic disc and uses laser to read or write data.
IDE, Integrated Drive Electronics, is used to hook up disk drives, floppy disks, and HDDs. This is a 40-pin male connector that connects the HDD.
Now, the SATA connector, or Serial Advanced Technology Attachment, is a standard connector with a 7-pin interface.
Chassis, System Unit Case. The computer case serves mainly as a way to physically mount and contain all the actual components inside of computer, like the motherboard, hard drive, optical drive, floppy disk drive, etc.